So I just filed an application for FEMA individual disaster relief. What happens next?
That's a great question. You came to the right place. You just submitted your application for individual disaster assistance with FEMA. Note, this video does not apply to public disaster assistance. Generally, within 30 days, FEMA will send an inspector to assess the damage and determine if you are eligible for disaster assistance. Following the inspection, FEMA will issue a determination letter that will explain what assistance is available or reasons why they may have chosen not to provide you with assistance. It is important to understand why your application was denied. FEMA will only provide assistance which directly results from a disaster. Some common reasons why FEMA would deny disaster assistance are issues regarding home ownership and occupancy, issues regarding your property's building code requirements, restrictions caused by flood insurance policies, how serious the damage is on your property, and/or issues regarding whether or not you can continue to receive assistance. If you received your determination letter and are unhappy about FEMA's decision, don't worry. You can appeal their decision. Appealing a decision means asking FEMA to take another look at your case by providing them with extra or new information.
So you've been denied. There are several things you need to do before filing an appeal. Note that you do not need to be a lawyer to go through the appeals process, but you can also have a lawyer during this process as well. You will have 60 days to get this settled. Remember to collect as many photos and evidence of damage as you can. If you don't have the records already, try to gather information on the pre-disaster condition of the property that has been damaged. Now it is time to call the Disaster Assistance Helpline. You'll need to ask the FEMA employee for a copy of your file. You will need to make sure that your file contains the following: your full name, date and place of birth, phone number, 9-digit FEMA application number, disaster code, address of your damaged property, mailing address, description of records being requested, and a statement signed and dated by you. There may be some issues in your file that can be resolved over the phone or by mail without filing an appeal. However, if your file is complete and there are no issues to be resolved at this stage, you will have to submit a written appeal to FEMA.
Every FEMA applicant has the right to an appeal. There are several key requirements of a FEMA appeal. First, an appeal must be filed within 60 days of the date on FEMA's determination letter. Even if this window has expired, applicants with a legitimate reason for delay should still file an appeal, as it may be still considered. Second, the appeal should include a cover sheet identifying the contents of the appeal. Third, the appeal should explain why FEMA's decision is wrong. This should include all supporting evidence, such as photos of the damage, receipts of expenses, correspondence with insurers, and estimates for repairs by contractors, including the contractor's information. Remember, any lay applicant can file an appeal. If you are a lawyer working on behalf of the applicant, avoid legal analysis in your appeal. Appeals are considered by non-lawyers and should focus exclusively on factual issues. Lastly, the appeal should be in writing and signed by you, the applicant. If you prefer to have another person file an appeal on your behalf, you should include a signed and notarized statement giving that person authority to represent you.
After filing your appeal, you can expect a decision in the mail within 90 days of filing. At any time, you can check the status of your appeal by calling the number on the screen below. Make sure you have your FEMA registration number on hand. FEMA has 3 options. They may grant your appeal, they may deny your appeal, or they may ask for more information. If FEMA grants your appeal, the decision is generally final. You cannot submit another application or appeal unless new information arises. If FEMA requests more information, you will have 30 days to submit the new information.